As of you guys, look at how bad this monitor is. As I was watching my videos on YouTube, then this happened. So stay tuned because I will teach you how to fix this. Look at that. Before we start, if you are new, please do yourself a favor, subscribe and hit the bell button so you will be notified every time I upload. Okay? So we start fixing this bad monitor. It's very easy that a beginner can learn. Let's start. Okay, so depending on the brand, depending on the model of your monitor. So for this is a Dell, a 17 inches square monitor. So this is just the way how to open this. In your case, there might be a different method of disassembling or opening your monitor. Okay, so this is the flex cable. And this is the first suspect of having a bad monitor. So what I'm going to do is to clean the ports, clean the conductor. First, we will remove the supply for the backlight here. Usually, there are four supply, just like this. We remove and we separate the board to the LCD, so we can clearly see this is the flex cable. We can see and clean this properly. So you slowly remove it, first the tape, then pull it out. Okay, that's it. So this conductor here, usually they are bronze conductors. These are the suspect, the basic suspect for having a bad screen display, like cell phones, laptops, and monitors and TVs. I will be using an eraser to rub the conductors like this. And make sure to have a clear eyesight on the dirt on the conductor. After rubbing the eraser, and you may get a cloth and rub it in the conductors. Okay, so make sure it is clear and clean. And after that is we try if this fix works. And how we disassemble this monitor is reverse, and how we assemble this one. So we first get back the LCD, then next and next, then we try the monitor, how it respond to our repair. Oh, it worked. That's very good. So this time, I'm going to test this monitor for a few minutes. Let me just play some videos on my YouTube channel in case the blinking or the bad display comes back. So let's just stay put there for a few minutes, playing some videos. Okay, that's it. If you are new, please do yourself a favor, subscribe and hit the bell button so you will be notified every time I upload. One thing more, if you wanted to learn basic printer repair, grab a copy of my ebook. Follow the instructions in my description.